Everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos, and I am here with a very quick case card class. It is absolutely gorgeous, and this has been cased from Pinterest, and it is just adorable. Loved it. Had it in my I saved it, oh my gosh, last year sometime, so never got around to doing it, so I'm going to do it today and show you how I did it. So let me tell you what you're going to need. Excuse me, we're using this little piggy stamp set by Stampin' Up. Such cute stamps on here. Hugs and kisses. This little piggy. You make me happy. She believed she could. So she did. Just gorgeous, cute pigs on here. So, excuse me. This is what we're going to need to make it. I have a regular card base, which is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Then I have some pink card, which is 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. So 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. And then we have this greeny blue, which is 4 by 5 1/8. You'll need a scrap piece of pink and a scrap piece of white. We're also going to be using embossing powder, white embossing powder as well, but we'll get to that in a minute. So let's do our stamping first, and we're going to bring in our, oh, I don't need a piercing mat actually, because I have the clear stamps, and I'm using archival ink, and we've got the pig with the wings, and we're just going to stamp this up here like that. And we're just going to do the, oh actually no, I can do the she believed she could. We'll do that again just so that, oh, what am I doing? Sorry, you need to do that. We do need the she believed she could on the white, but the pig we actually need to do on the pink. We need this for the wings and the she believed she could. So I was right, you do need to stamp it on there. But you also need the pig on the pink. So you need to stamp it twice. Basically, I just made that more complicated than we should have done. Okay, then you're going to take your snips, and we're just going to cut out the pig. And this is the part of the video where you are free to go make tea, let the dog out, order your Asda shopping online. I don't know, you've got lots of things you could do in this time, because I'm not the quickest at cutting these out. I was going to say making a pig's ear out of it. Oh, that's really funny. Chanel, you cracked a joke. That's actually really funny. It probably isn't actually. But, oh, I do make myself laugh. I thought that was funny, everyone. Oh, here comes Charles. Charlie, what you doing, baby boy? Oh, here he comes, here he comes. Hello. Right, I've got scissors in my hand, so probably not the best time unless you want to lose your tail. Come on, move your bum. Oh, dear God. Right, scissors. Right, it's because I don't have much room for him to sit down then. Okay. Now, last time I actually chopped the pig's tail off, and I've lost it. And I still haven't found it, so the other card doesn't actually have a little tail on it. I need to correct, but never mind, we'll sort that out. And then you have bits all over you, Charles. Oh, I was going to get that out there and get this bit around here. And then I've just got this little tail here, which, like I said, I managed to cut it off last time. So I'll try not to. And just going to do that. And then we're just going to come in here. Oh, Charlie. He's so funny, look. I don't know if you can see him. There you are. Naughty monkey. Are you a naughty monkey? Yeah, you are. You can see him. He's being very naughty, laying on Mummy's table. Right, okay, so we've cut the pig out, and then if I can find the, oh, you're being trouble. We need to cut out the, not while Mummy's got scissors in her hands. Ow, you have my finger. Okay, so we're going to cut out the wings. And these will just fit behind. You're going to get yourselves cut. Okay, we're just going to cut this around here. It's nice that you've decided to come and join me again. But your timing's not very good because Mummy's got to get the heat gun out in a minute. Yes, she has. You naughty boy. I know. You love Mama, don't you? Right, so we're just going to finish off around these wings. So we have the wings and we have the pig. And we have a naughty Mr. Charles. Right, what we're going to do now. How am I going to do this? Huh? Don't bite. No, don't bite. Right, if you're going to be antagonistic, then you're going to have to go. Oh, wow. Okay, now what we need to do, I'm so sorry about this. You know what Charles is... Oh, we're going to take our... Oh, right, now you are being naughty. Right, go away. Okay, he's gone. We have our Versamark ink. You need your embossing buddy, and we're just going to do that all over that. And we need to take the cloud stamp, and we're just going to stamp this randomly all over the card. Like that. And then we're going to take our white embossing powder, and you'll need a scrap piece of paper. So that's not a very good scrap piece of paper. Let me use this bit here. And we're going to take our white embossing powder, and we're just going to tip this all over the clouds. Like that. Give it a tap. And I'm just going to put this back in here so that we don't have an accident with it. And especially as Charlie Asbo is lurking. Right, now I don't think you're going to like the sound of this heat gun now, so you might have to move, Charles. Come on, move your bum. So you want to take your heat gun, and we're just going to see it changing. I'm doing it slightly off camera because obviously Charlie is not too far away. I'm just going to turn it around. As you can see, the ones that I've done have gone white, so I just need to do the others. That's it. And we can put that away, out of naughty Charlie's way. And as you can see, we have these gorgeous clouds on there. And we're going to take our card pieces and right, I'm going to pop that there. No, I don't know where my Tombo's gone because Charlie's in my way. And we're going to pop this down. And I don't think I'm going to be able to get much out of here. Oh, yes we can. Oh, come on, glue. No, I have to use my other one. See, Charles, I was all organised and now I'm not. As you've decided to get in my way. So we're going to pop that down. Like that. I'm going to hold that down for a minute. And I just need to grab my baker's twine that I used. Right, okay, I have some baker's twine here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to wrap this around here. And just tie it in a knot. Ooh. Not very tight. And like that. I'm just going to tie a lovely little bow if we can do it. Oh, lost it. There you go. Like that. Let's give that a little bit of a pull. Oh, come on, there you go. And we're just going to snip those ends. That would do. We've also need, oh, where did I put it? Right, okay, so we're going to put this on our card base. And I've gone and picked up the old glue again, haven't I? And I've got hairs all over my glue. Thank you, Charles. I'm just going to pop that down and hold it down for a minute. Try and get that off there. Now, I have got my punch somewhere. Where did I put it? Oh, where are you? Oh, got you. Right, okay, we do need, I have my classic label punch. I'm just going to take that and pop that out. And then we need our dimensionals, which are here somewhere. And we're going to put our pig down. It's a lovely card for someone who's got a new job or passed their driving test. I don't know, lots of different reasons. And then we're going to pop a dimensional on the back. Like that, of the wings. And we're going to pop the wings behind Charlie's tail. I'm going to pop it. Charles, oh, you're really not making my life easy today. I am really sorry, everyone, if you can't see the project I am doing today. I have a very naughty boy sat here. Back to his old tricks, aren't you? Yes, you are. Alright, so we're just going to take some dimensionals and... Right, that's the card. Oops, and that's upside down. And we're just going to pop that there. So that is the card. Now, I hope you have all enjoyed this case card class. Very super fast and easy. Would have been even quicker if it hadn't been for this naughty little monkey that sat here being very naughty. But I hope you've enjoyed this case card class. I will be back very soon with the daily... Ow! That's not very nice. With the daily giveaway, if I will survive that, because I've just been attacked. You are naughty. Yes, you are. Right, say goodbye to everyone, because we're going to go now. You naughty boy. Right, bye everybody. Charlie says hi. Say hi. And I shall see you all very soon with the daily giveaway. Oh, I just put my... Sure, I just muted you then. I was just saying goodbye from me and goodbye from the naughty Charlie. And I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.